All right, guys, I'd heard anecdotally about people being detained at ICE check-ins, but I didn't want to post about it and cause alarm if there was kind of no verifiable source or if it was just a one-off. But in fact, The Guardian published this article today confirming that people who have been told to go to their ICE check-ins are now being detained at those ICE check-ins. Those are mandatory ICE check-ins. They're also being detained at court appearances, including immigration court. ICE has been authorized to conduct detentions within courthouses, including these EOIR courthouses that people, are showing up for in good faith to, proceed with their cases in removal defense. This is likely going to have a backfiring effect, right? It's going to backfire here. People are just going to not show up to their ICE check-ins and not show up to their court appearances if they're not even going to be given the chance to defend their removal and be detained by ICE. This is part of the aggressive immigration matters under President Trump to accelerate deportations. This is what happens when you have a deportation quota as opposed to like a merit-based system. This is just a numbers-based system. They're going after anyone and everyone. And of course, what that means is nobody has faith that they're going to have their day in court. And likely they're going to skip out on the check-ins and skip out on their court appearances, and then they're nowhere to be found because if they move, ICE just doesn't have the resources to track everyone. So, kind of a boneheaded move, in my opinion, by the administration if what they want is to get the criminals off the streets, right, and remove them. But not surprising tactic, to say the least. It's part of the, the show of force, I guess. Although it will be lost probably on many people, that this is likely going to backfire unless people are going to show up for court, and there's going to be more people in the United States flying under the radar, and not appearing, for their dates, and probably skipping out on, their immigration responsibilities. So we'll see what happens. Maybe they reverse course here, but unfortunately it does seem like people are being detained at their ICE check-ins and EOIR appearances.